just heading out now, putting a load of muck out on James's furlong. Last chance, I think. They're probably along there ploughing, so I'm going to go and have a look. If I can get this load of muck on there just before they plough it up, that would be good. If I don't, then, well, it'll have to go somewhere else, won't it? Well, looks like I'm too late. I can't put the muck on here because he has ploughed it. Look at it. Tidy. So, anyway, I'm back in the field now. So he'll be down to work it down some point. I don't know when I'm going to catch all this because I don't know when he's coming exactly. It's more a case of when he fits it in, the contractor that is. Let's have a quick look at it being ploughed another year though. Here we go. Might be his new tractor. There we go, look at that. Making it nice and smooth. There that is on there. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is where it gets really stony. I know from this, we've got stone ridges. You can see the stones there, look at that. It's a very difficult bit to plough this piece, and there's another ridge at the top. Stand back and watch him pick that up and turn it around. Here we go. Stand back, boys. Look at that lovely smooth action there. Clever bit of kit, that reversible plough. Stony ridge again. Alright, so I'm going to leave him to it now. I'll have a look in the morning. There's a stone on the ground. I'll have a look in the morning when he's finished. And this late evening, it's not very easy to film this with this sunlight. And you've got to also remember, before that, me and Harry put our muck on here, so here's a little bit of us putting muck on here. Jones's furlong. Mr. Harry, would you like a ride in my tractor?
Yes,
Come
I
on board.
would.
Thank you for
My arm
filming.
is aching a lot.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
Oh wow, okay. Good work. Lovely to have you with me, Mr. Harry.
Thank you.
Right then. I'm going to ask you some questions then.
Ow.
So, Harry, what's been the best bit about being off school?
Not having to do so much work.
Right. Anything else? Anything good things being at home?
I get to do much more fun stuff.
You do? What is your top 3 fun things?
Building toy farms.
Yeah.
Playing Farming Simulator 17. Helping my dad on the farm.
Oh, good answer. Nice one. So there we go. Me and Harry love it. Me and Harry, what a team. He's funny, little chap he is. So I'm going to walk out here. We'll have a look. Let's see if we can find anything. I always like looking in plough ground. Never know whether you're going to find anything. Oops. So it's only when it's worked down. Look, you can see a bit of muck there. The odd lump of poo. It's only really when it's been worked down that you start spotting bits. When I say find things, I always mean find things, you know, bits of china and things like that. But there's nothing obvious here. But anyway, we'll have a quick look at this. Look, some big clods of soil here. And it's quite sandy. I don't know whether you can see that soil. Lovely soil. Look how it crumbles. Lovely. Not clay at all. The only thing is over here there's probably quite a bit of stone. Let's see. Oh look, here we go, look. We're on the rock seams here. Titherington is a village of quarries. Look at that. Let's have a look. I will be going stone. So yeah, I will be going stone picking. I've been out here before. Every year I come out here I have to do stone picking. Well, I say I don't have to, but it's good practice to, because you don't really want to leave stones in the field because it breaks the implements and stuff. And of course the roots of a maize crop ain't going to grow through a lump of stone. Oh gee, look at this bad boy here. Look at that. That's come up. Look at that. Put a scale on it. That's my hand. Look. Look at that. I wonder if there's any more through here. You can see, you probably see some slightly redder sections of the soil. It's quite good actually. I know you've missed out on the tractor action, but look, you can see just slightly different soil colour here. Orangey, bit clay, that bit of it. That's very sandy still though. It's not clay, it's just coming off the rock I think. Look, that's really soft. Sort of, and then it goes back into the dark brown here. Now the rock seam is about here, look. Let's have a look. Oh, look at this. Look at that. And more rocks. Seems to be worse this year. This is the band through here. Look at that there. More rocks. Now if we go up the top there, we can zoom up there. There's a band of rock just through there which affects the growth of the plant on a dry time. So we're not very good having the rock on the farm. I have to say that we are lucky. I mean, it depends where you farm really, doesn't it? I mean, if you farm in the Peak District or something like that, you've got flipping stones everywhere. There's some more here, look. More there. So at some point I've got to get the loader bucket and take all these stones out of here. But it's still raining. Got my jacket off, but it is still raining. Anyway, I'm going to head back. I just thought I'd give you an update on the soil, really, on what's happening with the maize. So I said I missed the ploughing. Shame on that, but never mind. I might be able to capture a bit of the cultivation and drilling. Hope so. Depends whether I'm around when they come in. It's not like I'm going anywhere, but I'm also doing other jobs, you know. Anyway, so from muck spreading to maize. Well, just walking back, there's my first evidence of civilization. That piece of glass. I don't see there's anything else. Oh, piece of china. Oh, let's see what. Look, there's a little tiny pattern on there. Not very much. Let's hope we find some gold out here one day.